Well, hello my soil fam bam. So let me show you a perfect example of what it means to upcycle. Come on with me.
Y'all see those wonderful cement planters right there? Yeah, that right there, before I painted it, that used to be my basement sink, y'all. That was my basement washer basin. So that's where my washer would drain out, and the other side you can wash your hands or do some old school hand washing. But nonetheless, upcycle. You know, use what you got to get what you want, boo-boo. Here's 2 more examples of upcycling. Y'all already know what this is. If you know, you know if you're a cook. Yes, I've grown my chicky-lays salads in there so many times. And yeah, that table there, that don't belong outside, but we making it do what it do. And it's been surviving the Chicago winter. Get into it. Check this out. I was at a school that was giving away these recycle containers. I was like, please and thank you. Definitely washed it out, and we got us some planters, y'all. Got an old mop bucket that maybe the top part broke, or you just don't use it no more because you started using a different type of mop, or whatever the case may be. Baby, that mop bucket is indeed a planter. Upcycle. Once again, use what you got to get what you want.